Good evening. So today we're going to study. Going to walk you through how to sell your crypto assets. Now, of course, you're not going to sell everything. You're just going to sell your profits. So over here, you can see that I have 14 dot. So this 14 dot, this came from as an interest payment, no? Because you can always deposit or stake, if I may say, your funds in Celsius or via here on Binance with the earn function, itong earn and Binance earn. So itong 14 dot, this is just an interest. So I can sell it, no? You can actually live on interest if you want to. Sorry for my dog, for my puppy. So ang gagawin natin, bebenta natin itong 14 dot nito. Okay? And currently, $413 equivalent. So the first thing you have to do is to convert your dot to USDT. So go to trade, click convert, click classic. And then you're going to type the currency pair or the digital asset pair here. So in our case, I want to sell dot. Yung cryptocurrency of interest, yung unang i-type. And then kung ano yung gusto mo no, na maging currency niya. In this case, it's USDT. So I'll just click this. I'll make sure nagpalit na to, no? Dot the USDT. And I'll scroll down. So this time I'm going to sell my dot. So meron akong 14 dot over here. I'm just going to maximize the slider, 14.01 dot or $417.0777. No? So I'm just going to click sell in 3, 2, 1. Sell dot. Now, if you want us to know how many dollars that was sold for, just click order history. You can see here the timestamp, not the timestamp, the history rather. And then you'll see here the total. So $417 kung ibenta yung 14.01 dot. So not bad as an interest payment to offset your other bills, no? So what we have to do next is to transfer USDT to our funding wallet. So remember, we have two kinds of wallet, the fiat and spot and the funding wallet. Fiat and spot and the funding wallet. So dito sa fiat and spot, if I click this, makikita natin dyan yung dollars na swap ko na or na convert ko na. No? So ito na siya. Okay. Now I want to put this into my funding wallet. No? So baliktad no operation kapag nagbabay ka naman sa P2P. So we're simply going to click transfer over here. And then from fiat and spot to funding. And then I'm going to choose USDT. Yan. So makikita natin na meron ditong USDT. I'll click maximum. Okay. So ulitin natin, ano? Click transfer over here. Very important to kasi nung bago pa lang ako dito, I click cross margin. So feeling ko na wala na yung pera. So dapat funding yan, ano? From fiat and spot to funding, click maximum and click confirm. Now you can sell this via P2P. You simply have, so nawala na dito, you simply have to go to buy crypto, click P2P trading. In this case, instead of tapping sell, you have to click sell, buy rather, click sell. And then around 20,000 pesos yun, ano? And then i-filter natin dapat PHP, of course. And then so all payments I want it sent to my Union Bank. So I'll click Union Bank. And so this guy, si Winnie Coins, minimum niya 20K. And she's buying rather dollars for 50.21 pesos. Not bad. So I'll click sell my USDT. And then I'll click all of it. Ito. So ito matatanggap ko sa Union Bank ko, which is this one. Kung wala pa kayong payment method, madali lang magdagdag. May lalabas dyan kapag nag-proceed kayo, add payment method. So I'll click sell USDT. Okay, successfully placed in orders. Don't do anything kasi minsan mabagal yung internet, walang lumalabas. So I'll just pay courtesy call dito or courtesy chat, no? So yan, nag-hi na ako sa kanya. Hi. So I'm just going to wait for 14 minutes and 39 seconds for the person or the seller to send to my Union Bank, no? The peso equivalent. So I'll have to just open my Union Bank app. So I'm logging in. so that I can check kung pumasok talaga yung tamang amount, this one. So there's nothing much to do but wait. Antayin natin siya. No? Anyway, kapag hindi naman, ayun, nabigay na niya. So don't click payment received first. No? Kasi baka hindi dumating. So check nyo muna. Ayan, thank you. Ayan. So yeah, nandito na, pumasok na yung money sa Union Banko. Okay, perfect. So now I'll just click payment received. I confirm and confirm release, no? So Google Authenticator para lang ma-secure natin na walang hacking na nangyayari, no? So always include Google Authenticator. Yun, perfect. So, and of course, always leave your review. Positive, feedback, lagyan natin ng feedback, quick, and fuss-free. Thank you. So leave comments. So that's it. Now I'm happy because I have extra 20,000 pesos, no, from my Polkadot interest. So that's how you sell your crypto assets to fiat currency. So, but before we end, of course, I just want to share with you the knowledge quadrant. So I made this one, this collateral. No? So I invite you to attend or to enroll in our knowledge quadrant stocks, digital assets, and ETFs session. So here you're going to learn the following. No? So module 1, it's all about money principles. No? Your destination up to your transportation, including Excel sheet, hanggang sa screenable investing asset, investable assets. Module 3, execution. Module 4, portfolio creation. And then some materials. No? So there are 3 coaches here, including myself. I'll be handling modules 2, and 3. Coach Arnold Ano will be handling or facilitating module 1. And Coach Ricky So will be facilitating module 4. So in order to enroll here, just scan this QR code or type the bit.ly lowercase the knowledge quadrant 2021 on your browser, search box and pay. So we hope to see you here so you can maximize much more the things that you can do with your funds in the digital asset space. So that's it for now.